Namaste. All of you are welcome to today's IT class. Last class we have discussed about logo. What is logo? Logo is a programming language. Today we are going to learn some comments in logo. Okay, let us start the class.
Last class, we have discussed the basic commands in the logo. Today, we are going to discuss some other commands in logo. The basic commands in the logo are forward command, move the turtle in the forward direction. Backward command or BK, move the turtle in the backward direction. Then right or RT. Turn the turtle in its right direction. Then left or LT. Turn the turtle in its left direction. Then home. Brings the turtle to its original position. Then clear screen or CS. Erase everything on the screen. Then clear text. Clear the recall list box. Today we are going to learn some other commands in logo. Okay, let us start the class. More logo commands. The first command is hide turtle or HT command. This command hide the turtle from the screen. Okay, the HT command is used to hide the turtle from the screen, giving a clear view of the picture drawn. The format is hide turtle or HT, then press the enter key. For example, we can type some comments in the comment box. First FT 100, then here draw a line, then RT 90, it's turned to right side 90-degree angle, then again FD 100, then RT 90, then again FD 100, RT 90, then FD 100. Here we draw a square. Then we are going to give the HT command. Here the turtle is appear on the screen. Then type here hide turtle or HD. Then press the enter key. The turtle is disappear from the screen. Okay, the use of HT is hide the turtle from the screen. Okay, next command is show turtle or ST command. This command orders the hidden turtle to get back on the screen. The syntax is show turtle or ST, then press enter key. Okay, in this example, give the show turtle command. Show turtle or ST, then press the enter key. Okay, here the turtle is appear on the screen. Okay, the ST command is used to make the hidden turtle to reappear on the screen. Okay, the next command is pen up or PU command. Look here, two lines AB and CD. The CD is parallel to AB. The use of pen up command or PU command is make the turtle to lift the pen up and move without drawing line on the screen. Okay, this command is used to lift up the turtle pen from the screen and move without drawing a line on the screen. The syntax is pen up or PU, then press enter key. Look here. Here we give the CS command, clear screen command. Then FD 100. Here draw a line. Then give the pen up command. PU. PU. Then again give the forward command FD 50. So here is no line is present on the screen. The turtle move without line. Again we give forward command FD 50. So the line is disappear on the screen. Okay. Then another command is pen down or PD command. This command is used to drop the turtle pen on the screen so that the turtle starts drawing when it's moved. The syntax is pen down or PD, then press the enter key. Look the example. Here I typed FD 100. So a line drawn. Then RT 90 degree. So it's turned to right direction. Then again give PU. Then give forward 50. So the line is disappear from the screen. Then again give RT 90. Then give PD command. If we want the line, then give the PD command. Then forward 100. So we get a parallel lines on the screen.